Hey friends, with golf season right around the corner, are you looking away to tidy up your trunk and your cargo space and have all your gear all located in one place? Well, I got the product here, right here for you. It is this golf organizer bag. So let's check it out. This bag is very easy to put together. Just follow these instructions. Take it out of the bag, unfold it, put in your divider for your shoes, and then your divider's up top. Plain and simple, easy as that. This thing is awesome. It has many compartments. Open it up, top case, up inside. Fold that out, and it has nice little clip tie downs to keep the lid open. A zippered compartment up top, 3 individual elastic compartments here, and then dividers. You can take these dividers in and out and place them where you want them to create the perfect space. On the side, a large elastic compartment. On the other side, 2 large plastic compartments. And here in the center, you have vented holes here for your shoe slots. Fits 2 total shoes in here. You can slide those right in, easy fit. Zip them right back up again. Ventilated holes right here to keep the smell to a minimum. Got so many miscellaneous things here. Speaker fits right in there. Golf towel, another slot. Golf balls, loose tees, loose golf balls, rangefinder, golf glove, easy access on the side, charging cord for the speaker there, and your golf polo folded up inside. Again, look how beautiful that's all completely organized inside. Zip it up, and I got my 2 shoes on the bottom, easy carry handles. Can take it with me anywhere I go, put it in the back of the vehicle. You can easily take it out and put it in your golfing partner's vehicle and go to the golf course. So if you need to get it organized, I highly recommend this golf bag organizer. So hopefully you enjoyed this review, and thanks for watching.